Hey guys and gals, what's going on? It's your girl, Shareen Nicole, and yes, I'm back with another video. So this video is a little bit different. I decided to do my nails, as you can see here. I'm just showing you guys what I got in store for you. I couldn't figure out what I wanted to put on my nails, so I pulled out a little bit of everything. But then again, that's my name. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this video in just a second. But first, I wanted to tell you about the nail polish that I got. It's gel nail polish. It came from Amazon, and the name of it is Beetles. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can purchase that if that's something you're interested in. I'm just showing you that it came with an application guide. It came with all these colors. I know you can't see the colors, but it came with an array of colors, guys. When I say this gel polish is literally the truth, it is the truth, honey. So what I need you to do is stay tuned to the rest of this video. Make sure you watch till the end. Comment, rate, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you guys for joining me on this video, and we're gonna get right into it. Alright guys, so we're gonna jump right into this nail tutorial. So pretty much right here, I'm just trimming my nails down. And as you can see, I am using a big nail clipper. That's because my nails are like super duper hard to cut, and for whatever reason, the little nail trimmer just doesn't do it. I have to use a toenail clipper, but that's neither here nor there. So guys, make sure you file your nails down into the shape that you want. My thumbnails kind of broke down a little bit too short, so I had to try to match everything up with that. And my nails are like little nubbies on the thumbs, so bear with that image, you know, when we get there. But yeah, make sure you guys file your nails into the nice shape that you'd like and you desire, and we'll get into the next part. So yep, they look good. So we're gonna go ahead and get in there with the base coat. So guys, this nail polish is legit like so good. I'm like raving about it because I've used different gel nail polishes before in the past, and it just wasn't cutting it. And you know, you got that sticky residue that you've got to use alcohol to wipe down. You don't have to do that with this gel nail polish. You literally just put it on, put your hands in there, set it and forget it, take it out, you know, apply your next color coat. So you can see right here, it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. But for whatever reason, guys, I had to redo it. So you're gonna see that in a minute. Don't put lotion on your hands, because that's what I did, and I totally forgot that I had put lotion on, so I wasn't coming on here looking dry and ashy for y'all. So I had lotion on, and so the base coat was buckling, and I decided to take it off. Now you can take it off with a nail file like I had demonstrated earlier, but I had to go in and get the machine so I could get this gel off and get it started, because I was working on these nails for a minute. So I even did a pinky nail just to see what it would look like, and I was like, I can't come on here like this. I gotta come correct for you guys. So I went ahead and took everything off, and I started all over again from the beginning. But I won't bore you with that. All right, I went off camera, and I did put all the product back on. That way you guys can see how it was looking afterwards. So right here, I'm just, you know, buffing it down and getting all that stuff off that I totally screwed up by putting lotion on. So no lotion, guys, no lotion. All right, I'm back. There you go. Now it's all on, and we're gonna go ahead with our top coat of whatever color you choose. I chose white because, you know, this is the holidays, and I like white for whatever reason. It looks really good against my skin color. And I put that on with a couple of other designs, but I'll stop yapping for now, and I'll let you guys watch the rest of the video. Please make sure that you comment down below. Let me know how I did. It's been a while since I did my nails, but I think it turned out pretty good for myself, if I do say so myself. All right, guys. So I'll let you enjoy the rest of this video. Peace.